Distance number 3, how long is line segment CD? And round your answer to the nearest tenth. CD, one of those is C, one of those is D. It doesn't really matter which one we call C and which one we call D, because whether it's P1 or P2 or P2 or P1, we're looking at the same deal, although usually they'll be labeled for you on the test. I've just chosen to label mine this way. So there's our line segment. How long is that line segment? Well, how long a line segment is code for distance. Distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So I'll apply the formula down here. I'm going to call this one my x1 and my y1, and I'm going to call this one my x2 and my y2. So distance is equal to square root symbol. We'll do that last. x2 is, open my brackets up, negative 22 minus 5 squared plus negative 34 inside the brackets, negative 34 minus 20 squared. Distance is equal to, big square root symbol, negative 22 minus 5 is negative 27. Don't forget your brackets, plus negative 34 minus 20 is negative 54. Again, don't forget those brackets. Very important when we go to take the squares. So I'm going to go open brackets, negative 27, close brackets, and square it. 729. Eventually I'm going to have to add that too. Open brackets, negative 54, close brackets, and square that. 2,916. To which I'm going to have to add that 729. That gives me 3645. So I come down here, square root of 3645 is what I want to do next. Square root of 3645. 60.37. We're rounding to the nearest tenth of a unit. So I want 60.4 because that 3 has a 7, right? 5 or more I round up. There's my distance. 60.4 units.